Welcome to Drones 101, a drone introductory course applicable for beginners and drone enthusiasts all over the world. Let me start off with a question. Have you ever wondered how an aircraft flies? Or how birds fly, but some don't? Well, I've often wondered how blimps, helicopters, or drones stay up in the air for a long time. In this lesson, we will talk about the following: terminologies, categories of drones, weight classes, uses and capabilities, pros and cons of drones. To start off, let me introduce you to the different terminologies used in drone aviation: drones, RPA, and UAV. These three terminologies make up the world of drones worldwide. So let's begin by naming the first term. Drone. It is an unmanned aircraft which is commonly used in a military context. Remotely piloted aircraft. An aircraft where the flying pilot is not on board the aircraft. Unmanned aircraft vehicle. It can be guided autonomously or by a remote control. All three terminologies can be used interchangeably, but the only difference is that it depends on the country you're currently in. The term drone is commonly used in France and Belgium. RPA is used in Australia and Canada, while the term UAV is often used in the United Kingdom and United States. Now that we've discussed the terminologies, let's now talk about the various categories of drones. You may wonder why all of these drones look different. Well, that is because there are 5 different categories of drones. Let's discuss them one by one. Multi-rotor. It takes off, lands, flies, and hovers like the traditional single-rotor helicopter. Single-rotor helicopter. This drone looks a bit like a traditional helicopter. Fixed wing. This type looks and flies like a regular plane. Powered lift. This can take off and land like a helicopter but can move into forward flight like a traditional plane. And lastly is the airship. This type is engine-powered and is lighter than air. Drones are also separated into the following weight classes: micro, a gross weight of 100 grams or less; very small, a gross weight of greater than 100 grams but less than 2 kilograms; small, a gross weight of at least 2 kilograms but less than 25 kilograms; medium, a gross weight of at least 25 kilograms but less than or equal to 150 kilograms; large, a gross weight greater than 150 kilograms. Now that we've talked about the categories and weight classes, let's now talk about the different uses and capabilities of drones. Here is a list of industries where drones are commonly used. Military. Drones are used in situations where manned flight is considered too risky or too difficult. Delivery. Delivery drones are usually autonomous RPAs. Exploration. Drones with specific electromagnetic sensors can be used for oil, gas, and mineral exploration. Aerial photography. Some remotely piloted aircrafts are made specifically for photography. Commercial and motion picture filmmaking. Drones have the ability to maneuver into any location that suspended cameras cannot reach. Wildlife and historical conservation. Tracking wildlife population is nearly impossible with humans on the ground. Wildlife conservationists use drones for this purpose. Search and rescue missions. Drones are ideal for searching over vast areas for missing persons in need of rescue and in any environment. Real estate and construction. Drones have made it possible to survey land and gather information to assist developers and builders. Lastly, we'll talk about the advantages and disadvantages of drones. Advantages. Drones are fun to use. Drones save lives and survey dangerous places. Drones enforce security and surveillance. Drones give precise and detailed data in place. Disadvantages. Drones are easily influenced by strong winds and rain. Drones can be hacked and are prone to bird attacks. Drones crash and can be harmful if not used properly. Drones can pose a threat in controlled and uncontrolled airspace. To conclude this lesson, here is a short summary of all the things we've discussed. Terminologies: drone, RPA, UAV, categories of drones: multi-rotor, single-rotor helicopter, fixed wing, powered lift, airship. Weight classes include the following: micro, very small, small, medium, and large. Uses and capabilities: military, delivery, exploration, aerial photography, commercial and motion picture filmmaking, wildlife and historical conservation, search and rescue missions, real estate and construction. Pros and cons of drones. Pros: recreational flying, save lives and deliver medical supplies, enforce security and surveillance, precision and accuracy. Cons: easily affected by the weather, vulnerable to hackers and animals, accidents and potential misuse, and threat to aerodromes. We hope that this video is useful and broadens your perspective when it comes to drones. If you feel like wanting to learn more, then look forward to the next lesson.